Hello and welcome. My name is Bashir Fadl, and on behalf of LearnITCoursesOnline.com, as well as LearnJobsOnline.com, I'd like to thank you. We do know that you have a variety of choices of IT training, and you've chosen us, so we really appreciate that and hope that you enjoy it. Thank you. In this segment, we're going to talk about field dependencies in Salesforce. Field dependencies are the filters that allow users to change the contents of a pick list based on the value of another field. For example, here there are two fields called country and state. We have to display all states that are related to the country field. Likewise, districts that are related to the states. Here, one field is dependent on another field. In field dependencies, we have to learn about two fields, which are number one, the controlling field, and then number two, the dependent field. The controlling field is that which controls the available values in one or more corresponding dependent fields. And then a dependent field displays values based on the value selected. So the custom pick list can be both controlling and dependent field. A standard pick list can be only used for controlling. Default values can be set for controlling field. We cannot set default values for dependent pick list. Multi-select pick list can be dependent. Controlling field must be added to page layouts. In controlling field, we can add up to 300 values. Now we proceed to creating field dependencies in Salesforce. Log in into Salesforce to create the field dependency for our pharma product. So we navigate to Setup, then Build, then Create, then Objects. Then we go to our pharma product, Custom Field and Relationships, and we will find Field Dependency. Click on Field Dependency. As there are no field dependencies in the object, click on the New button. Now select controlling field and dependent field. Here we have selected controlling field as category and dependent field as subcategory. To include values, we double click on the values. We have selected for category small, medium, large, and then we finally click on the Save button. To check the working of the field dependencies in Salesforce, we go to the pharma product object and click on New. Now when creating a record, category and subcategory field are present. When we select large as controlling field, in dependent field, large 1, large 2, large 3 subcategories items will be displayed on the drop-down. With this, we come to the end of this session, and we'd like to thank you for joining us. And also, don't hesitate to visit our website at LearnITCoursesOnline.com to leave your feedback and reviews. And also look at our events. We have a lot of free sessions, and we'd be more than happy to have you join at any given time, and also sign up with us for our newsletter. Thank you and have a wonderful time.